In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean storefront and a product ready to deliver your ebook automatically to customers. First, sign into your Shopify Admin and head to your store's home dashboard. This is your control center for everything you'll do next. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This is where you manage how your site looks and feels. Next, browse the available themes and use the Try Theme option to see how a design fits your brand. Previewing is helpful because ebooks often look best with clean, minimal layouts that focus on your cover art and copy. Pick something that highlights your content clearly and is easy to navigate on mobile. Once you've chosen a theme, start customizing it so it suits your ebook. Open the theme editor and adjust your header, colors, and typography to match your cover design. Add a hero image or banner that features your ebook cover. Write a concise headline that states the value of your book and include a short subheading with who it's for. Consider adding a featured product section on the homepage so visitors can access your ebook quickly. Keep your navigation simple. Home, shop, and contact are often enough for a focused store. Now, go back to your admin and click on Apps. You'll use an app to deliver your digital file automatically after purchase. Search for and install the Digital Downloads app. It integrates directly with your products and sends secure download links to customers, so you don't have to email files manually. Follow the prompts to finish the installation. It only takes a moment. After the app is installed, create your product and add your details. Give your ebook a clear title, a benefit-driven description, and a professional cover image. Set your price and make sure you mark it as a digital product by disabling any physical shipping options. Within the product page, use the Digital Downloads panel to attach your ebook file, such as a PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. If your file is large, compress it so it downloads quickly without sacrificing readability. Add tags and a collection if you want it to appear in specific sections of your store, and write a simple search engine preview so people can find your ebook more easily. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your theme is set, the Digital Downloads app is connected, your product is created with the ebook file attached, and your changes are stored. You're now ready to start selling your ebook on Shopify.